Hi friends, I am Alan Thomas Pallad and welcome to the 12th episode of Cosmos the Currency. Today I am glad to introduce to you the most beautiful banknote of North Macedonia. So let's enjoy the beauty of this banknote. Dear friends, this is the 2018 series 10 dinar banknote of North Macedonia. The dark blue, yellow and pink blend give this banknote a tremendous look. On the obverse side of the banknote is a depiction of the torso of Isis, the Egyptian goddess who is revered as the mother of all nature. This is goddess Isis, the Egyptian goddess of nature. And this is an illustration of the golden boat earring which was made in the 4th century BC. And this is the picture of the gold boat earring excavated from North Macedonia. On the bottom left portion of the banknote is a beautiful illustration of the marble statue of the high priest of Heraclea in Greece. This is the real statue of the high priest excavated from Stobi. On the other side of the banknote is a stylized drawing of the peacock adopted from a mosaic found on the floor of the baptisteries of Episcopal Basilica in the ancient city of Stobi, which was really painted in the 5th century AD. This is the real peacock mosaic on the ancient city of Stobi. And this is Stobi, the cradle of Macedonian civilization. The dimension of this beautiful banknote is 70 into 140 millimeter. Next, let's talk about the security features of this beautiful banknote. The first and foremost security feature of this beautiful banknote is the microtexting. Some text which appear on this banknote is visible only as you can see under the microscopic lens. The next feature is the braille script for the visually impaired. The third feature is the transparent window in the left portion of the banknote. The feature is the view of the denomination under the UV light. Another security features of this banknote is the see-through register on both sides of the banknote on the top left portion, which complete each other when visible through both sides and which is not visible when kept